Hello traders, this is the first video I'm recording with live trading on the E-mini future of the S&P. We are about 1 hour and a half into the daily session, and we are watching the market. Nothing important has happened till now, not a trading opportunity. I want you to look at the 25-minute chart I'm showing now to you, and something very interesting has happened here. As you can see, a trading range has been formed here by this low pivot and this high pivot. Then after 3 bars, price tried to overcome this range. It violated the high of the range by 1 or 2 ticks, but it could not continue to the upside, and now is trading again inside the range. Now, the principle of the range tells us that if price is on the top of the range and it cannot violate the top of the range, then odds are that it will try to go to the other side towards the bottom of the range. So we'll see what happens. As you can see here, momentum is permanently bullish right now. This bullish dynamic bar has been formed and completed. So when price pulls back to the area of demand, we can take a long trade from here, 2160 till the top of the range, but this will be rather a scalp trade. Or we can stick to our short approach and see what happens on the 5-minute chart to see if price can go to the bottom of the range. Let's go now to the 5-minute chart and see what happens here. These marks are for me to spot, to mark the trade when it's triggered, the entry point, the initial stop loss, and the two profit targets. As you can see here on the 5-minute chart, we don't have a lower high yet. We rather have a higher high here and a higher low here. So now if we want to trade short, we need a lower high and a short signal, and if we want to trade long, we need price to pull back to this area of demand here and produce a higher low and an entry signal. So we are looking to both sides of the market right now, and we see what price will do. From time to time I will pause the video because we have time limitations, and I will resume the video when something of significance happens. As you can see here, we have about 35 seconds for the 5-minute bar here to be completed, and we have here an equal high. This is acceptable, and the topping tail bar, which is likely to form, and if this happens, this will be our short signal to trade short. If this bar closes as a doji bar or as a green bar, then we will have to wait for another signal. Of course, now it's completed, we don't have a signal to trade, we must wait. A good trader must be patient, and now that price is at the top of the range. If it violates the top of the range, we'll change our opinion and we'll look for a long signal to trade long. For the moment we are waiting, we are doing nothing, and we'll see what this 5-minute bar will give us. Now we have about 2 minutes for the 5-minute bar to be completed. As you can see here on the 5-minute chart, a bearish engulfing bar is formed, but we have to wait for this bar to be completed. If it completes as a bearish engulfing bar, this will be a valid signal to trade short, but we must never assume the outcome of a candle before it finishes. So we are waiting for about 1 minute. You can see here that we have 1 minute and some seconds. We are going to wait for the bar to be completed, and then we'll put our parameters. As you can see here, price has traded a little higher than our entry price, and now is at our entry price approximately. We do nothing. We have our stop in place and our profit targets also in place. Here there is another rule that says that if after 3 bars, after the entry bar, price is not going anywhere, that means that something is wrong, and we are going either to kill the trade, or at least we will tighten our stop in order to lessen a possible loss, or we'll scratch the trade with a small loss or a small profit, whatever the market gives us. So let's watch for the moment. As you can see, the trade is going in our favor right now, and I want you to see something. This bar here, the current 5-minute bar, started as a bullish engulfing bar, and now it's going downstairs. This is one of the strongest signals in technical analysis, because it shows us that the buyers tried to overcome this red bar here and they failed. So now the trade goes in our favor and is only 1 tick above our first profit target. We are waiting, and we are going to see what happens. As you can see, our first profit target was achieved. Price had a little difficulty here, but we had to anticipate that, because on the 5-minute chart we are at a support area here, and it's very natural for the price to have difficulties to overcome this area. Now it's bouncing from this support area. We have only one lot open. We have taken 2 points of profit. I remind you that each point on this contract is $50. So now we are waiting, and we are not going for the moment to change our stop loss, because we have certain rules of trade management that we are going to follow. Due to time limitations, I will stop the video right now, and I will start a new video.